Pipelines are the lifelines of our modern world, transporting vital resources across vast distances. But in harsh environments, these pipelines face constant threats from rocks and debris. Rough terrain, soil movement, and natural hazards can cause significant damage to pipelines, leading to costly repairs and environmental risks. Enter Rockshield, a highly durable, protective layer specifically designed to safeguard pipelines from abrasive damage caused by rocks and other sharp objects. Rockshield forms a protective barrier between the pipeline and its surrounding environment, deflecting rocks and dispersing the pressure to keep the pipeline intact. Used in the harshest conditions, from rocky mountain terrains to industrial sites, Rockshield ensures long-term pipeline integrity, reducing the need for frequent maintenance.